Okay guys, in the previous video we have seen that how we can update a record in the table. In this video we will see some more example related to update itself. Next query what I'm going to trigger, that is update person set first name is equal to Ravi, comma. Okay, we are trying to modify two columns. Age is equal to 33. We are not giving it in the single quote because it is a type of number. Now we are using the condition, the class where id is equal to 6, ending this query with a semicolon. Update person set, we are trying to modify the two columns in a particular row. We are trying to modify two column values in a particular row in the table. First thing what we are doing is modifying the first name to Ravi. Modifying the first name to Ravi, and in the same record we are modifying the age is equal to 33. The same record we are modifying the age to 33. Now we are passing the condition in the person table, whichever the record in the person table, whichever the record that contains, whichever the record that contains id value as 6, whichever the record that contains id value as 6, select that, whichever the row or whichever the record is having id value as 6, select that record, and you need to set the first name as Ravi and set the age to 33. In this case we can see in the person table that which is the record that is having id value as 6, that is the sixth record. Sixth record is having the id value as 6, and the first name will be changing it to Ravi. Previous value it is Jyoti. Now we are changing it to Ravi. In the same record, the age is also getting modified to 33. From 20 to 33, we are modifying. Go to the end of this query, press Ctrl Enter. Before that, clear the script output window. Go to the end of the query, press Ctrl Enter. Successfully query executed and the table got modified. The result we can see it by going to this person tab. We can press Ctrl R to refresh the database, and we are getting the result of recently updated, we are getting the result of recently triggered SQL query. So here sixth record, all right, the sixth record. Earlier it was Jyoti. The first name is earlier it was Jyoti, and the age it was about like 20. It was 20. I'm not sure exactly. It was 20. Now it is got modified to 33. Here we are achieving to modify the values of two columns at the same time. We are achieving to modify the two values, the two column values at the same time of a single record. In this case, we are updating a single record. Why? Because the record, whichever having the ID value as 6, that is the record we are selecting. In this case, only one record, right? A single record we are changing. In a single record, we are changing two column values. Okay, this is how we can change the two column values in a single record. In the same grounds, we will see another example. So here, update person set ID is equal to 25, comma, age is equal to 38, where ID is equal to 7. Here also we are sure that the record what we are selecting, of course there is a chance of records contains the same value, one or more records contains the same value, right? Then it will be changing, then it will be selecting all those records that contains id is equal to 7. But in this case, in our database we have only one record with the id column value as 7. You can check it out in the person. The seventh record, in the seventh record we have id value as 7, and first name value as Ramu, and age value as 35. That record we are selecting, and we are setting the id is equal to 25, right? Id itself we are changing. Earlier it was 7, now we are changing it to 25. That is one thing. Another thing we are achieving by using comma as a separator. Age, we are setting age, we are updating or modifying it to the 38. Earlier it was 35, now we are changing it to the 38. So one record will be updated in this case. Go to the end of the statement, press Ctrl Enter. We are getting output as one row updated. Go to the person where we have the seventh record that is having the id value as 7. Now we are seeing whatever we are seeing, it is the previous data. Okay, previous data. That is why we are still able to find this record by using the value of this ID column. Refresh the database. What is the result we are getting? Seventh record, the earlier ID was 7. Now we have modified it to 25, and the age, it was earlier 35. Now we have modified or updated to 38. So this is it for this video tutorial. We have learned how we can update the one or more columns. Okay, two columns at a time, and by using the where condition, we are updating the two columns by using the where condition. Okay, so this is it for this video tutorial. Thank you.